Hi guys, who's ready for the fireworks show over here? So we're about to start a fireworks show over here. And I hear it. I can tell it's coming. Oh, yay! 2 fireworks. I hear a lot of people. So and fireworks obviously. And then I was here. Tito's. Fireworks are starting. 3 minutes. Hey! Oh! Started. Go, go, go. See one. Fireworks. Firework. Oh, another one. Surprise. Go, guys. Fireworks. One right there. 3. Loud. One right there. Oh, kids. Kids. Good kids. Where's another one? Oh, another one. Fireworks. Gotta record this. I'm trying not to run out my swords though. Hey! Oh, 2. Big one. I think that's a big. Ooh. Bang! Big bang! Oh my gosh. Yo guys, this is insane. We're at 3 minutes. God! It's huge. Oh god, fireworks right there. Grab position. My hands are hurting. I gotta record this for like. I gotta record this whole show. I'm trying not to ruin it though. 2. There's 2. What the heck? Oh, big one. 3, 1. Oh. Wait, what? Why? Big show. Oh, 2. 2. 3. 4. The big old firework is everywhere. There's another one. It's not even the biggest one's coming. I think it's a biggie. Ah! loud ones. Those are the loud fireworks. Just like be safe though. Loud ones. Hey. Ah, a lot of ones. Ricochet. Oh, there's a thing. Earthquake. I do a part 1 and a part 2. I'll do a part 1 and a part 2. It's 10 minutes. One, two. Here we go. Alright, this is end of part 1.